Hello, Gabriel.
Hey, Dr.
How are you today?
Good.
My name is Matt Miller. I'm an orthopedic surgeon. I specialize in joint reconstruction. So that means I do a lot of hip and knee replacements. In some ways, I'm a mobility doctor. I help people get up and move and get back to doing things they enjoy by either helping treat the pain that is associated with a bad knee or bad hip, or by replacing that joint with an artificial one that allows them to participate fully and actively in their lifestyle. The biggest reward for me is hearing patients' stories about the kind of impact that our work together made on their lives. I get notes and pictures from patients describing, the hike that they could do, or the ride that they could enjoy, or the trip they took with their kids, or simply, grandparents being able to babysit their grandkids again. When I see them back in clinic and follow-up, that's the reward for me. I get to see what an improvement they've realized in their lives. My name is Matt Miller, and I'm an Camino Health orthopedic surgeon.